Hello, my name is Angad and this is the part 3 for the final project presentation for the job recommendation system. I'm part of group 5. So what I'm going to be talking about is a demo and what changes we faced. So before we start the demo, I just want to talk about what challenges we faced. Number 1, there's a lack of data sets for our purpose because online we couldn't really find a data set that had all the things we need, like a company name, job title, job description, salary, location, and there was a lack of data sets that had that. So we had a lot of difficulty researching and finding data sets for this project that would have all the information with the jobs. Number 2 was integrating the similarity algorithm with the app and front end because we have the user input from the website. We're collecting the name, email, and so on, and we have the job data set, which has like the company name and everything. But for the similarity, we don't need everything from each thing. We only need like the location and the work experience of the user from the user, and then we only need the job description and location from the job data set. So it was a bit hard pulling that out first, and then also creating the similarity algorithm, which we used min hashing and LSH. That was a bit difficult too. Number 3, we had to remove a lot of features to ensure project was completed on time. So this is talked more about later in the presentation part 4, where we removed features like uploading a resume and automatically finding jobs based on that, but that's something for the future. But overall, we are really proud of what we accomplished for this project. For the demo, some key points I want to talk about is I'm already running the Python file, which is the app Python file, and I'm using a small data set called data analyst, which is a CSV file, which contains mostly data analytical positions. Because we weren't really able to find a job data set, so this is a data set that has data analyst jobs in it, and there's some testing examples in the algorithm just to test the algorithm. And this is after you run the app Python file, you can go to this website and it'll pop the demo will start. So this is the app Python file. It's basically just taking all the user information and the job data set and combining it and running the job similarity algorithm on there. This is the job similarity algorithm, which we used LSH and min hashing, basically what we learned in this class, and applied it to this project. I have this little short example here. We have 6 jobs and 4 users, and then if just as like a quick brief example, like user 0, it has Python, machine learning, and data analysis as their work experience. Jobs that they matched with is a job 0, like because Python matches and machine learning matches, and job 4 because data analysis matches, and then job 6 because machine learning and Python and data analysis matches as well. So now onto the demo part. So this is the demo. I filled in the information before. This was usually empty, but I put my name, my email, and I can just put in any location. Unfortunately, because the dataset is a US dataset, so it only has US cities. So let's say I want to find a job in New York that has my work experience is data analysis. I can hit find jobs, and it automatically comes up with the recommendations for me that are according to my experience and according to my location that I want. So that was the demo and presentation. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and thank you so much for the educational semester.